Hey guys, welcome back. So Samsung's Galaxy S22 Ultra has become the most hyped up smartphone ever in 2022, where it brings insane level of improvements in terms of cameras, performance and software. So in today's video, we got some final updates regarding the prices and Exynos 2200 versus Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So according to John Prosser, a trusted leaker has shared some information regarding the prices of these smartphones. He says that the standard Galaxy S22 will have a starting price of $799, while the Galaxy S22 Plus will start at $999. The top end model in the lineup, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, will carry a starting price of $1,199 in the US. Now this looks very promising. Samsung has finally changed its plan for not increasing the pricing with these smartphones, which is actually good for the end consumer. And also don't forget about the pre-order bonus gifts like more discounts, free Galaxy Buds or Galaxy Smart Tags depending on the region. The prices are the same as last year's S21 series, and you guys let me know in the comments what do you feel about this. Apart from the pricing leak, some details about the phone's availability have also shared by John himself, and according to him, Samsung has rescheduled the shipping dates for all the S22 devices, where now only the S22 Ultra will start shipping from 25th of February, while the S22 and S22 Plus will go on sale a bit later around 11th of March. Now moving on to the Geekbench scores for the Exynos 2200 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, it reveals that the Exynos 2200 variant scores 1168 points compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1's 1226. In multi-core performance, the Exynos variant edges out the Snapdragon model, achieving 3508 points compared to 3462 points from Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So at least with the CPU part, Samsung has managed to give a strong competition in both single and multi-core performance tests. But if we look in the past, the Exynos variants always had an issue with the heat management and often get defeated against the Snapdragon devices. So it would be interesting to see if Samsung has made some improvements in that area with their upcoming Galaxy S22 Ultra. Also, Geekbench 5 mainly focuses on CPU tests, so the GPU gains is yet to be seen. We know that the AMD based Eclipse 920 GPU on the Exynos model doesn't outperform the Adreno 730. However, the AMD GPU does offer ray tracing and variable rate shading support, which can be considered as a fair trade for the lag in the performance. Now some latest news coming in about Samsung's next mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy A53. Here are the official images of the phone, which reveals the complete design, where on the front it looks like nothing is really new, same bezels with flat display, but on the back this time you get flat back as well as with merging camera module with the plastic back panel. Now talking about some specifications, the Galaxy A53 might rock a 6.4-inch 120Hz Super AMOLED display on the front, Exynos 1200 CPU which is not yet released, and 64-megapixel quad camera setup, bigger battery of 5000 mAh with 25-watt fast charging. So there you go guys, these are the latest and final updates regarding the S22 series, and if you have any question related to this smartphone, do let me know in the comment section. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.